Use infographics in your designs whenever possible. Your job as a designer is to make text and info-heavy information palatable and interesting. Clients will overload you with numbers, stats, quotes, and copy, and being able to take a simple block of facts and turn it into a visual treat will help you in your journey to create compelling layouts. It can be as simple as creating custom icons and symbols to display simple facts and stats. Would you be more excited to read a long list of bullet points? I thought so. Neither would your viewer. These icons are just more fun and playful. Infographics do not need to take up a big space or be overly involved in the design piece. It could be simply arranging a header for a page in a way that highlights an important number or quote. Shaking up how you display your infographics is imperative, and studying others' work is a great way to source ideas of how to visualize certain data sets or blocks of stats. I start on a website called freepik.com. I've been known to take 4 or 5 infographic sets there and combine them with my own custom drawn icons to create unique and colorful infographics.